Well, go on, traders. Yeah, the traders here again. Yes. So, what's going on with Mullen, guys? What's going on with Mullen? So, if you take a look at my charts here, as you can see, Mullen has pulled back yesterday. Let me zoom in to the 5 minute chart. So, Mullen has dropped from 22 cents thereabout all the way down to 20 cents plus. What's going on with Mullen? All right, so we got, I would say, three sets of good news up to yesterday since the week started. So I'm going to go into Yahoo Finance here, guys. So remember, March 6th was the deadline for the delisting where it wasn't quite sure what's happening. Will Mullen be delisted? So we actually had gotten no news on that, but we are still trading. So I would say that's a good sign. We're still in the running in terms of being on the Nasdaq. The second good news was that um, rapid response defense system had selected Mullen Automotive as the exclusive provider for the Class 1 EV cargo van. That's the second good news. And again, yesterday, this came out. Mullen to unveil first two EV commercial products at NTEA Work Truck Show this week. So I would say we basically have three good news back to back. So what's going on with Mullen? So let's take a look at the charts again, guys. So let me zoom back out. So the charts is showing that Mullen, the support area, the previous support area was at 2031. A much older support is at 1820. So what's really going on with Mullen? With all of these good news coming out, we were holding this support. We saw the crossover on the moving average. Then Mullen fell after. If you look at the RSI was oversold. It came back down to the neutral territory. Now it's coming back down to the oversold territory. The MACD is trending into the bullish territory here, as you can see these little green signals. So what's going on with Mullen? I'm saying that question quite a number of times now. So honestly, I don't know. I don't know if the stock is being, maybe manipulated. This is just kind of my opinion. I'm not saying that this is what is happening. But as you can see, when Mullen makes a move up, there appears to be a lot of high short interest to push the stock back down. So the question for you guys is, are you holding strain? Do you look at this as a good opportunity for buying a little bit cheaper, maybe averaging down on your, on whatever price you're entered at? Or do you see this as a sign that trouble is on its way? All right, so let's take a look at the options to see what's going on. Let's before we get to options, let's take a look back at Yahoo Finance to see if we had a sell-off yesterday. So we were hovering around 400 million up to yesterday. Now there's a bit of sell-off of around 37 million on the market cap, and as you can see, Mullen fell almost 10%, and pre-market it's down another 1%. Volume that came in was higher than the average, 253 million compared to 212 million. Okay, so is the movement with Mullen indicative of other stocks or the overall market? So the TSX went down 1%, S&P 1.5%, the Dow almost 2%. If we take a look at the comps was pretty bad with regards to the comps, guys. So Neo fell almost 4%, Lucid almost 6%, Rivian almost 15%. So with all what is happening, it appears that the overall market has had an impact on Mullen. With the news coming out with regards to the Fed's possibility that there could be another interest rate increase. So right now maybe it's a matter of the overall market. Could be short players, playing their hands with regards to Mullen stock. It could be anything. But as they always say, when there is fear in the market, what do you do? Do you run away, or do you look at it as a buying opportunity? Okay, so let's take a look at what went on with the options. So as I can see with the options, it basically came in on an average 32,000 yesterday. For this week, options is 13,000 in terms of open interest, and next week we are up to 33,000 open interest, and the following week 13,000 in open interest. So guys, this is all I have for you for today. Not sure what's going on with the stock. Is it the overall market? Is it the short sellers? We don't know, but for me, I'm holding strain, guys, because I'm seeing this company as a very good company in the long run. It is doing what it needs to do. So if you guys have other information that you could share, hit me up in the comments, guys. Other information in terms of what you may have heard that's happening with Mullen, why the stock is still, it fell yesterday, and why it's down. Just let me know. And as per usual, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit that like, and don't forget to subscribe. I do these videos first thing in the morning before the stock market opens. Okay, take care, guys.